Hey Crypto Fam, this is the second video of a two-part series on making money with NFTs in 2022. In the previous video, I explained what is NFT rarity, how to calculate NFTs rarity, and tips for finding the best NFTs and the top 6 tools for making money with NFTs. So don't forget to watch that video first. I will leave a link to that video here and in the description below. So in this video, I'm gonna bring you the remaining 6 tools to help you upgrade your NFT portfolio. What's up everybody? I'm Adnan Arif. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new around here, how you doing? Alright, so let's dive in. At number 7, we have ICY.TOOLS. When you open ICY.TOOLS, the first thing that you will see is the trending collections that features some of the trending NFTs from the last day. If you've connected your wallet, you can even filter the ranking for the last 15 or 30 minutes. On top of that, you can find all the information related to the NFTs like the floor price, volume, sales, and the average price on the leaderboard. The best thing is its user-friendly interface, making it pretty easy for even beginners to perform NFT analysis. If you look through the Discover tab, you can also find the wallet addresses of some of the top buyers and sellers of the marketplace. Guys, this is the game changer. If you get a premium subscription, you can get access to detailed pages of information of every NFT collection. This will include every NFT's history and price charts. On top of that, you can even get NFT project breakdowns based on their rarities and attributes. Cool, isn't it? At number 8, we have NFT Drops Calendar. It often happens that you miss out on any specific NFT drop because you didn't have any idea about it. Later on, you see that its price is high up in the market. Now, you don't have to worry about missing out on any upcoming NFT drops. You can keep a track of all the upcoming drops with the help of NFT Drops Calendar. It will not only keep you updated with all the forthcoming NFT drops, but you will also be alerted about giveaways, events, and sales related to the NFTs. You can even search for any particular NFT collection on the platform with the help of different search tags. On top of that, the sorting feature will allow you to sort all the NFTs based on various parameters like minting date, price, volume, and much more. NFT Drops Calendar also allows its users to submit their own NFTs and list them on the platform for sale. So it's like a one-stop solution when it comes to NFTs. At number 9, we have DappRadar. For a long time, DappRadar has been functioning as the go-to site for monitoring the sales data of NFT collections. They also came up with a portfolio tracker in 2020 for offering the users a simple way to monitoring Ethereum wallets in real time. With this tracker, users only needed to enter Ethereum wallet addresses or ENS names to receive information regarding tokens and NFT balance and the overall net worth of that wallet. If you're looking for a tool that will help you with the individual portfolio tracking, this is definitely an excellent choice. Other than that, DappRadar also features the most trending NFTs in the marketplace based on different time frames. You can directly view any NFT collections, volumes, trades, and sales. DappRadar allows you to keep track of trending NFT collections and also allows you to monitor real-time sales. You can even filter out NFTs on DappRadar based on different protocols. At number 10, we have Upcoming NFT. Upcoming NFT is another valuable platform for never missing out on the upcoming NFT drops. If there are any upcoming NFT projects, events, drops, auctions, or even giveaways, then you can get an idea about them through this platform. You can view the listed NFT projects based on their popularity, time of adding, and even the upcoming ones. If you're thinking about launching your own NFT project, you can also submit your NFT on this platform. This will make it easy for you to gain visibility and get a buyer for your digital artwork. The live feed tool from Upcoming NFT helps investors explore trending NFTs that are being minted on the blockchain and get more insights into them in real time. Upcoming NFT can even help you out with promotions of your NFT projects. Even before your project is launched, you can be in the spotlight to bag better deals after launching through these promotions. You can also gain insights and real-time data for all the upcoming NFT events on this platform. At number 11, we have NFT Evening. NFT Evening has a calendar to keep you updated with upcoming drops and NFTs. There's a lot to explore on NFT Evening's website other than NFT drops. You can find all the content around NFTs with information portrayed in a fun and accessible manner. NFT Evening is like a one-stop solution for creating, collecting, selling, and investing in NFTs. If there are any new NFT projects coming up in the market, you will be able to view it on this platform. Other than that, NFT news and analysis, you can even go through the crypto art, collectibles, blockchain games, and the metaverse of the platform. The platform also allows you to promote your event or NFT project for gaining exposure before launch. This helps a lot with getting a boost for your project. The platform allows you to perform analysis with different filters like categories and blockchain. At number 12, we have Revet. Revet is a full-fledged platform with plenty of features other than NFT. You can get a list of all the latest news related to NFTs, DeFi, regulations, and much more. If there are any new crypto events or NFT minting events, you can get the information about them through the Revet event calendars. The prices of NFTs are highly volatile, and it's not easy to track their sales and volume manually. Revet helps you list all the NFTs at a particular time to make tracking and analyzing much simpler. You can view the platform and any NFT listed on it, their pricing, and see which marketplace where you can buy it from. If you have created an account and added any NFT to your calendar, you will get an alert when that NFT launches. This will help you grab all the upcoming NFTs and never miss out on any profitable ones. So guys, that's it for this video series. I've explained to you in a total of 12 tools for making money with NFTs. I hope you really enjoyed them. If you haven't watched part 1 of this video series, then I suggest you to watch it and come back to this part because I've explained a lot more in depth about what is NFT rarity and how to calculate it. That information will make your journey into NFT investments much easier and you'll be able to invest in the right NFTs and make profits. Guys, one more thing before we go. I will be dropping videos on my upcoming NFT projects to watch out for. And if you are interested in them, then smash that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss when these videos drop. Crypto is my passion and I love making these videos for you guys. I would highly appreciate it if you could give this video a like and share it with your friends and family who might have been struggling to understand what NFT rarity is and how to make money in the NFT space, guys. Just it. For now, my name is Adnan Arif. See you in my next video.